this is Adam Bruin with CSI, and today I'm going to do a quick overview on the ITT EnviZion Diaphragm Valve. I've had a lot of success with this valve. I've heard a lot of stories from customers who have to maintain their valves, that one of the frustrating elements they deal with is the nuts and bolts they have to use to take apart the bonnet from the valve body assembly. They'll fall into a tank, into a process line, maybe down a drain, and that can be concerning for many reasons, specifically in high purity pharmaceutical and biotech applications. So ITT came up with this brilliant valve, and today I'm going to show you how it works. A couple quick steps to take it apart. First, we're going to open up the diaphragm all the way, and then we can pull this pin here, rotate it till it's out. This is the amazing thing about how this valve comes apart. So we're going to loosen this bonnet assembly, and then we just push down and turn, and the valve comes apart. Now from here, the diaphragm change out is incredibly simple. We just close our valve to where we get some room on the diaphragm. We're going to twist and pull out our old diaphragm and put in our new one. So what we used to find was a typical diaphragm change out with all the hand tools and everything required would take 3 to 5 minutes per valve. And as you can see, somebody like myself with basically no experience working on these valves is able to do this in a matter of seconds. So not only are you saving a ton of time on your maintenance staff having to replace these parts, you're going to save potential risk by not having parts and pieces falling into your tanks. So to close this valve, I'm just going to release this pin again, and you want to hear this click when you're tightening down the valve. So as I continue tightening, it's going to keep clicking, and it's going to stop me automatically when it's at the right level. Now the great thing about this is you might say, well, what if somebody walks up and they want to loosen this and just mess up the tightness during production? Well, if this is locked in place, it's an automatic backstop, so you cannot loosen that without actively pulling out this pin. So from here, you just tighten or loosen your valve once it's back in place, and you're good to go. That's the ITT EnviZion valve.